Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Scan channel. So today I'll be talking about the difference between day trading and positional trading. Over the years, people tend to have been confused about what's the difference between day trading and positional trading. So, because somebody asked me what's the difference between day trading and positional trading, that he has heard about positional trading and day trading and he has been confused about it. I hope after this, though I answered him sharp, but for more clarity, I'll share this video to him for him to go and watch, because I took out my time to create the PowerPoint so he will understand the difference clearly. And for those that have been confused about what's the difference between day trading and positional trading. Positional trading, one was asking me how can he become a positional trader. So I took out my time to explain to him out. That was why I got the motivation to do the video, the difference between day trading and positional trading. So without wasting too much of your time, okay, before I dive into the video, please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. It will really help me a lot. And if you want me to bring more awesome content, please just just type at the comment section drop, or just type drop content, drop more, or just type drop more at the comment section, and I'm going to be dropping more awesome content all about trading, packed how to trade, the strategy to use. I will even be doing my analysis every Monday. I'll be dropping analysis, so you can just subscribe and hit the notification bell. So every Monday, once I drop my analysis on trade I'm going to be looking at that week, you will also get to know it first, and your attention will switch to the coin and be monitoring it. So once there's confirmation, you just enter it and you make some cool cash for yourself. So without wasting so much of your time, I'm going to dive straight into the video. So we'll go straight to the introduction. The introduction. Day trading and positional trading. What is day trading? Day trading is a short-term strategy. Short-term strategy, I mean, is those strategy whereby you trade between the period of 30 to 40 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Those are short-term strategy. While positional trading are long-term strategy that holds their trade for a very long term. They are called long-term strategy. So we dive straight into the main difference between them. So we have time zone. We have different type of time zone and how they hold trade. So in day trading, they hold that trade for that same day, where they click on buy and sell at random using indicator just for them to get hold of the short-term volatility move in the market. And they also don't hold their trade for overnight position. While positional trading tends to hold for days, weeks, or months, just for them to capture medium long term trend. Thus, they can hold their trade for weeks, months, or days, just for them to capture medium long term trend. So moving to frequency of trading, how they trade, like how often they enter trade. So frequency of trades, the way day traders enter trade, like they can enter trade multiple times a day, sitting down on their laptop, using indicator, fundamental analysis, and maybe price action, just for them to grab the short-term volatility move in the market. So they can be on the laptop clicking buy, sell, just for them to exploit short-term volatility. While positional trader, they tends to trade few, their trade are so few, and they has a patient approach. I call them well, I call them tiger. Yeah, I think I classify them as tiger, because if you're watching Najo White, if tiger wants to go and hunt, they take their time, they study their prey, and know when to attack. They study them very well and know the right time to grab the trade. Once they go for it, they go for it with their full force. So I call them the tiger trader. And these people are mainly the banks, the not for the banks, individual can also trade. It's not hard. Using technical analysis, you can also become a positional trader. It's not hard. There's no big deal there. So as we go on, I'll tell you the reason why it's not hard and why you should consider it. Not like as if it's just for banks and big investors alone. So we'll move to analysis and research. Analysis and research. Day trader, they are primarily technical. They primarily use technical analysis and they use short terms indicator. That's technical analysis I'm referring to are indicators like Ichimoku, Bollinger Band, moving average, and so many of them. While positional trader blends technical and fundamental analysis and it tends to focus more on a long term. While day trader focus more on a short term indicator. So we move to risk management and the reward. Risk management and reward. For day trader, they have higher risk of leverage and potential for quick profit and losses. While positional trader, lower risk, less affected by short-term volatility. What I'm trying to say in essence is mostly major day traders have smaller capital, so they tend to increase their leverage. By so doing, they can easily blow off their accounts because they don't have enough fund for them to hold that trade and they tend to leverage, they tend to use higher leverage, that's borrowing money from the broker. That's what I mean by leverage in layman's word. Borrowing money from the broker just for them to increase their capital and they can easily lose and profit from their trade because they focus more on a short-term volatility in the market. While positional trader have lower risk, the risk is lower and they are less affected by short-term volatility. So move to capital and margin. That's the next difference. Capital and margin. Day trader tends to use smaller initial capital and they commonly use leverage, like I said before. Because of their low capital, they tends to use higher leverage that can easily blow off their account and can lead some people into depression and frustrated and say forex is not for me. I cannot learn it. I blow up my account so many times. My dear, stay glued to my YouTube channel and I'm going to break down forex into pieces, into bits for you that you yourself you can you can go out there and teach other people yourself and you see how forex is so easy for anybody to learn. So it is not forex is not about using complex indicator. It's just a simple strategy and once you just get hold of it, forget it. The sky is just your starting point and with your proper risk management, sky is a starting point. For a positional trader, they require a substantial capital. That's for the big guys. These are the major market movers, market shakers. That's the big banks, commercial banks, the big investors, countries, and they rely they rely less on leverage because they have big money to hold their trade. So we'll move to time and commitment, which is the next difference between day trading and positional trading. Time commitment. In day trading require constant attention to your monitor. That's almost you need to be on your system almost all the time monitoring monitoring your trade, trying to see when to enter, when to buy, when to exit, actively monitoring their this thing. While for positional trader dey offer more flexibility and suitable for those with limited screen time. That's people that are so busy with work they cannot sit on their screen 247 trying to watch the trade. Can just become a positional trader and tends to hold their trade for a very long time. So we move to the next part, which is the conclusion. In conclusion, choose based on your trading goals, risk tolerance and availability. Both strategy have unique advantages and challenges. What this place is trying to say is you should choose based on the risk, your trading goals, what you want to achieve, what are your plans, what are your plans about trading, that's your trading goals. Where do you want to be in the next 5 years, your trading goals, your risk tolerance, how much risk are you ready to risk, how much money are you ready to put on the table, and your availability, your time. Are you ready to be on your screen 247 clicking buy, sell, or you just a kind of a busy type that don't really have time? You just want to be on your screen, predict charts maybe once or twice in a week. You open your chart and look at it and try and predict. Like me, I do my every Monday or Sunday before the markets open, before the new week. So I'll be able to jot out the trade I want to look out for this week. So I'll be able to know what and what. So I will not have to focus on so many trade. Like every time I'm opening a lot of trade, a lot of pairs just to look at it. It's stressing, it's frustrating at times. Gets you confused. So I'll just tell you once in a week, just list out the pairs that you feel like you want to be trading, and once in a week you just run analysis on it and see whether there is any trading opportunity. That's in positional traders do, and it suits me well. So by Monday, I'm going to be dropping how I do, like what I just said, how I do my analysis, how I analyze the chart, how to draw basic support and resistance. Man, forget it, support and resistance, trend line, and the rest of them, price action. Man, they are the ultimate in, in trading forex. Forget this moving average. Somebody will put 4 or 5 indicator on his screen trying to know. Man, that thing is not shit hole. Man, that thing is, drop it if you're using it. Stay glued to my YouTube channel. I'm going to break forex down for you. You're going to understand how to draw support and resistance, how to connect your trend line, how to set a trade, how to set your proper stop loss with ATR. There's so many things, full package that you benefit from my channel. So all you just have to do is subscribe and click the notification bell. So every Monday, once I drop my analysis for the week, you'll be the first to know, and you don't need to stress yourself. I've done most of the job. What you just have to do is just follow what I just said, or try and see the coin I've selected. So you follow it, and if there is no trade for that week, like me, I'm a positional trader, I'm not a day trader. I don't have time to sit on my system for 247. Man, it's frustrating. So I just do my analysis once in a week, follow the long term trend. Man, I like big things, so I follow the long term trend. So at this junction, I'll be coming to the end of the YouTube the video. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and if you want me to keep on dropping more awesome content, please type drop on my comment section, and I promise to be releasing more awesome content for you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your brothers still finding it difficult to understand forex. So many of them that have blown their account. Come, let me teach you how to trade forex. Forex is not a do or die affair. Forex is a simple basics. Just understand it and you see yourself cashing out big. I'm not Forex is not 100% guarantee, but see yourself making something. You all know Forex is always a game of probability, so you just have to understand how the probability work for you to be able to cash out. At this junction, I've called this video a stop. Thank you.